Today we're going to show you how to put an ice guide in your refrigerator. Really easy job. Could use a little small flat blade screwdriver. Let me show you how it's done. First step to this repair is to turn our dispenser off. When we try to remove that chute, we don't want to be covered in ice. There are two side tabs on that ice guide and then one pivot one on the very bottom. You're going to be discarding this whole piece, so you really don't need to worry about breaking anything. The easiest way to remove it is to spread the side tabs, unlock them from the paddle, so it tilts forward. Take a flat blade screwdriver, press in on the bottom tab, lift up on it. And if you break this tab, it doesn't really matter because we are throwing this part away. Now to install the new ice guide, we want to put it in straight up and down. The first thing we'll do is locate that pivot tab into the slot and snap it firmly into place. Press with your thumb against the paddle, line it up with the paddle so that each side tab is centered, and snap it back into place. That's as easy as it gets. That's just how easy it is to change the ice guide on your refrigerator. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.